sunset, falling like a dream. Golden light on waves that gleam. Footprints fade in sand so pure. Hearts that wander always cure. Whispers of the ocean breeze, softly swaying coconut trees. Colors blend in skies so wide. In this moment worlds collide. Underneath the twilight spell where secrets of the night can dwell, our souls connect in soft retreat. Together find a rhythm sweet. Tides that come and tides that go. Caring not for high or low. Stars awaken in the dome, guiding lights that lead us home, home. Echoes of the laughter past, memories that forever last. Crickets sing their evening song, endless nights where we belong. Underneath the twilight spell where secrets of the night can dwell, our souls connect in soft retreat. Together find a rhythm sweet.